Hello and welcome. Just a quick note before the actual video starts to come back for next week's video where there will be a big announcement about the channel. Now, stick around and you'll see this week's video, and which is rather not very good, and which is one of the reasons there'll be an announcement next week. But we're going to put some of those covers on the shocks that do the trunk like we did on the... You'll see. Stay tuned. We'll get to that. Hello. It's just going to be a little quickie this week because it was really, really hot today. And so I had to wait till it to get dark. So not only is it still hot, it's cooler, but it's hot. But now I have bad lighting. So I'm just going to do a little quick thing because I promised you I'd get back to the car. And then next week, hopefully, we'll have a slightly longer video where I'll do some cooler stuff to this car. And then I still have some stuff to do to the vlog. Anyway, this is very similar. Remember, I put these hood scoops, pistons. Hey, this is editing Dr. Wigo from the future. I just wanted to interject myself here because I set up a camera. I'll show you the view from that camera here. Check that out. That was supposed to show when I actually take the thing off. But, and this was my fault, not the camera's fault. I thought I was turning it on, but I was actually turning it off. And then when I went to turn it off, it came on. And so, by the way, at the end, I'll show you that little brief footage when I turned it back on after the thing was done. So I'm all this work I'm doing here right now in front of you, I have my back blocking. You can't see what I'm doing, which is why I'm recording this. And by the way, to show you exactly what I'm doing, now I know you can't see what I'm doing with my hands and with the little pry tool, but here's the video showing how I did that with the hood version, and it's exactly the same connector and it's exactly the same thing. So this is what that looked like. So that since I'm blocking it because of the current camera, here's how you can see how I did that. And then at the end, I will show you the view from the camera I set up, the close-up camera I set up to show you what it looks like up close. So now you can enjoy the rest of the video. Hopefully by now you're not looking at my back anymore, but well, actually you won't be because I'm going to edit this so that you're not looking at my back when okay, back to the badly lit video. Again, remember, come back next week for an important announcement. So now I'm going to hold this up with my shoulder. While I slide this on like this. Okay. And now we get it back up under here and pop it right back on and then turn it there. Oh, I got backwards. Turn it. Yeah, so it says 392 going that way. And then I will do the same thing on the other side, possibly editing it to make this already short video even shorter. Oh, and this time being prepared for this thing falling on me. There. Okay. And yes, it's going to fall right down as soon as I let go, so I'm not going to let go. Okay, I want the 392 going this way on this side. So I'm just going to slide that down like that. Oh, it slides much better on this side. And then I put this back on here like that. Turn it. Presto changeo. Bada bing, bada boom. There. Yeah. There we go. Now, and it closes. Yeah, that was really anticlimactic, wasn't it? But like I said, it's really hot. Well, it's 83 degrees right now. It was well into the high 90s with the heat index even higher. So I waited till it got dark, and now we're doing it with bad lighting, but got this done. Hopefully there will be a cool day sometime this week, or coolish. So I'm going to, yeah, I'll surprise you. But okay, that was that video. Now remember, come back next week for an important announcement, and then we'll get to the other stuff I talked about in the video. Okay. Bye now.